Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to control output format in Claude AI in 2026. So if you want clean results like tables, bullet points, structured reports, or even JSON-style outputs, yeah, this guide will help you take full control of the format. First, open your browser and go to Claude AI, then sign in to your account. Once you're inside, you can start controlling how Claude formats its responses. One of the most important steps is clearly telling Claude the format you want. So instead of just asking a question, specify things like use bullet points, create a table, or write step-by-step instructions. You can also assign a role to Claude. Yeah, like asking it to act as a teacher, analyst, or report writer. This helps shape how the final output is structured. If you want technical outputs, you can ask for formats like tables, JSON, or CSV-style data. I mean, this is really useful for data analysis or automation tasks. You can also set rules like word limits, number of points, or section breakdowns. This gives you more control over length and structure. If the output isn't perfect, just refine it. So yeah, you can ask Claude to reorganize, simplify, or convert the format into something else instantly. And that's how to control output format in Claude AI in 2026. Once you master formatting instructions and structured prompts, you can get exactly the type of response you need every time. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more AI productivity tutorials and prompt engineering tips. Hey everyone,